Hello there and welcome to another video tutorial. In today's video, I'll create a simple and dark cinematic movie trailer intro using Filmora X. Import your project files to the media library. Scroll down and add the audio file to the timeline. Use the marker on the audio to mark the position of the text. Once done, add the background video to the timeline and maintain the video settings unchanged. Then select the speed option and slow down the video speed by 0.5. Adjust and detach the audio from the background video. Then delete the audio. Select the background video, right click and choose colors. Select the 𝒊𝒆𝒍𝒐 series and the 3D LUT. Then go to the crop option and click on pan and zoom. Let's select the zoom in option. Now let's add the image text to the timeline. Organize and adjust the image text based on the audio markers. Again, select the image text, right click and click on color. Under 3D LUT, select dark film and apply it on all files. Once done, let's add the animation to the image text. Select the image text, and at the beginning of the image text, let's add keyframes. Set the rotation to -15, a scale to 400, and the position to 360. Skip 10 frames and add another keyframe. Set the rotation to 0, scale to 70, and the position to 0. And at the end of the image text, add another keyframe. Set the scale to 50. Once done, let's add a lightening video to the timeline and change its blending mode to screen. Also change its color to black and white. To do that, select and right click on the video, go to colors, and under 3D LUT, select black and white films. Reduce the opacity to 75. Now add the thunder sound effect to the timeline. First, let's adjust the audio and place it under the lightening video. Fade out the audio and reduce the volume of the sound effect. Then copy and paste the lightening video and the audio throughout the timeline. Now at the end of the background video, let's add a keyframe. Add a keyframe with opacity at 100, skip 10 frames, and set another keyframe with opacity at 0. Once done, render and preview the video for export.